Morning. Good morning, student. Hope all of you well. Today we are going to discuss very important topic: contribution of Mesopotamian civilization to the world civilization. Look, Mesopotamia is another important ancient civilization. Okay, we know Indian civilization or Indus civilization, Chinese civilization. These are the another two important civilizations. But Mesopotamian civilization is very important. Now we are going to discuss what is the contribution of Mesopotamian civilization to the world civilization. First one, the use of potter wheels to the world. First one, potter wheels. Potter wheels. First, Mesopotamian civilization. In Mesopotamian civilization, we find potter wheels, and potter wheels is very important because we know from potter wheels we make utensils. Second, probably the first made the glassware. Glassware. This was another important invention or introduction of Mesopotamian civilization to the world. Third one, first to divert the use of arch domes and pillar to support the rope in the absence of large quantities to wood and stored in the region. That means use of domes. Use of domes and arc. Use of domes and arcs. This is very important in building creation. Okay, that's what we can say. If you go to North India, you find various type of palace. Yes, you also find palace. We know palace is the important monument and another sources of history. So, use of domes and arcs first introduced in Mesopotamian civilization. Fourth one, development of writing. Fourth one, development of writing. Development of writing. Writing code of law, trade agreement, frame rules. I mean to say that various type of writings first we find in Mesopotamian civilization. Next one, perhaps the greatest legacy of the world, its scholarly tradition of time recording and the mathematician. Division of an hour in 60 minutes and the minutes into 60 seconds and circle into the 30-degree. Math. Okay. Nowadays, mathematics is very important subject in our study. But first Mesopotamian scholar and Mesopotamian people, they use math. They started math. They improving in math and the time division, that means 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour, and this type of division first introduced in Mesopotamia. Next one, observation and nothing. Scholar and lunar eclipse, very important. Lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse. Okay. Look, nowadays very important lunar eclipse, first time observed by, I mean to say that nowadays if you go to any planetarium and see the sky and other things, okay, planets. So, in those days Mesopotamian people, okay, yes, in those days there is no advanced instrument to observe sky. But Mesopotamian people first introduced or first observed lunar eclipse. Next one, maintaining records about the observation of star constellation in the sky. Okay, these are the same. That means observation. Next one, probably first established reading room and library. Very important. And library. Look, in each school, each college, each university, we find libraries, and each library we find there is an attached of reading room. So library and reading room both are very important in our education life. First time in Mesopotamian civilization we find these two, reading rooms and library. First time Mesopotamian scholar or Mesopotamian people introduced library with reading room. Hope you will understand what is the Mesopotamian contribution to the world. Thank you.